On Logic, you double click and then you have to go to File. And this is the more detailed audio editor. For example, I can just silent that and I would just go silence. And that would get rid of that sound. So this is a very precise audio editor. So my key command to get here is actually W. So I get straight there to W. Check it out what it is on yours. I think it's audio editor. On Ableton, just double clicking, you can see the audio here in detail. Most of the audio editing has to be done within the arrangement view. You can see it close up here, and you can change the zoom here. Yeah, Command Zoom does the horizontal. I can't silent that part from within this section, but I can from here. So I can go there and just delete it, and that would be silencing that section.